Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and I've got a pretty cool lens from Canon, and it's the new RF 800mm. So we're actually going to do a quick unboxing of this lens so that you can get a realization of how big it is in comparison to maybe an EOS R or even a new R5 or R6. Of course, it comes with all kinds of protective packing materials. All right, so there it is. Okay, so this is the new RF 800mm from Canon. So this is a fixed aperture and a fixed focal length. So it's an 800mm f11. So you won't be able to adjust your exposure utilizing the aperture when utilizing this lens. Now, it is compatible with a 1.4 teleconverter and a 2x teleconverter. So if you're really needing a lot of reach with your lens, this is a great option. So this gives you an idea of what you may be able to do with this lens. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown on this lens itself. So first, you have your control switches on the side. You'll have your focus limiter, your autofocus mode, meaning autofocus or manual focus, and then as well as the stabilizer. Now, something that's a little bit different about the 600 and the 800mm RF from Canon is going to be the fact that you actually unlock and slide out the rest of the lens. So this is how the lens will be stationed when you're taking photographs. The only reason you're going to utilize this portion is when you're storing it. Now, it does add quite a bit of weight or quite a bit of length to the overall lens, but the lens itself is very light. So it would be simple to pack into a remote area if you're going birding, if you're going hunting, something of that nature. I think this would be a great option for you. So just like all of the other RF lenses that you're going to get from Canon, it does have that control ring, which allows you to program a lot of different options into the lens itself. And because this lens is a fixed aperture at f11, utilizing that control ring for maybe your ISO or your shutter speed will allow you to quickly adjust your exposure. Another great benefit about this platform is the fact that the front lens element is a 95mm, so you can actually utilize an ND filter or a polarizer without having to have in a rear drop-in. So at 2.77 pounds and under 14 inches, it makes for an incredibly portable 800mm lens, especially being $899. This is an incredible focal length at an incredible price. To get yours, go ahead and visit us online at bedfords.com or your local store. I'm Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll catch you next time.